Hello everyone. Cisco Packet Tracer does not have a native dark mode, but in this video I will show you the best hidden customization tricks to get a beautiful dark mode experience. Say goodbye to iStrain. Let's get started. First step. Go to your Cisco Packet Tracer, click on Options tab on upper left side, then click on Preferences. Now click on Interface tab. On lower left corner, you will find color scheme and default is selected. Click on the drop down menu and select classic. Color scheme will take effect when you next time start. Click on OK. Then close Packet Tracer and start Packet Tracer again. The classic theme typically provides a darker overall UI look. Now, second step. Dark workspace background image. The most effective way to change the large default white canvas, making the whole environment feel dark. Go to Google search engine and in search type clean dark light wallpaper. Hit enter and you can choose your favorite image from here. Click on image tab and I am selecting this one. Click on the image and right click on it and click on save as and save the image. Go back to Cisco Packet Tracer and on upper right corner on workspace you will find set background image icon. Click on it and now click on browse button and select your downloaded image and click on open. Then select display tiled background image and then apply it. Now you will get whole environment feel dark. Now the third step. Bring some devices on workspace and connect with each another. Open a router and click on CLI. Here you will find white background. It may be uncomfortable on your eyes. So I have to change iOS background color. Close it. Click on Options tab on upper left side, then click on Preferences. Now click on Font tab. Here under Colors, you will find Router iOS background. White is default, change it to black. And on Router iOS text, black is default, change it to white, just opposite. And then click on Apply. Again, open a router, go to CLI, and now it's feel like a dark mode and the text is crystal clear white. Now select all, then press delete to remove your topology and click on delete. Then press Ctrl S to save. Select your suitable location. I am selecting desktop and type a name. Then click on save. Close Packet Tracer. Again click on yes to save. And this one is your custom Cisco Packet Tracer. Double click on it to run. That's it. Good luck with your custom Cisco Packet Tracer dark mode environment. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.